Junior Minister in the External Affairs Ministry, General V.K. Singh, scored a third self-goal with an avoidable comment. In a tweet, he's now referred to the media as prostitutes. The controversy is only snowballing as Congress party has demanded V.K. Singh's resignation.
Well, I think it's quite deplorable what he has said. But there's a larger issue here. It's obvious that some of these ministers do not have any work, whether it is Sadhvi or whether it's a Giriraj. And because they don't have any work, they're trying to create these controversies, drawing attention to themselves, seeking some publicity. It's also serving a purpose that these controversies divert attention of the people and the media away from the failures and non-performance of the government. And so I think either Prime Minister is not able to rein them in, or he deliberately wants them to continue creating these controversies so that the attention is drawn away from the non-performance of the government.
Okay. How do you see that? Do you feel that the Prime Minister, looking the way this is the third such comment by General V.K. Singh himself, do you feel that the Prime Minister will be able to act against him now, or it's in regular stuff which will continue to go on?
No, Prime Minister can always act against any of his ministers, but whether he will or not, that's the question.
This is disgusting, the very fact that it is coming from a minister, and that too has been head of a very disciplined organization, that is army. How can he utter these kind of words to a democratic institution? That shows the kind of his mindset, the pathology of his mindset, a pervert mindset rather. I mean, the way he has used this word, maligning the media. I mean, it shows the pervert mindset that he has. So I would say that the call upon Broadcast Editors Association has taken very serious note of it, and has demanded that Prime Minister must rein in these ministers, because they are rather tarnishing the image of the government. The reflection, occasionally when these kind of statements are coming, the message goes that this is the kind of governance we have. So it is for the government, and particularly the person who is heading the government, that is Narendra Modi, to take cognizance of these kind of statements, and he must rein in these ministers. Otherwise, it is not an issue of tarnishing the image of the government. It is rather people will lose trust in the entire government.
Right. जो अल्फाज जो इस्तेमाल किए गए हैं, वो हमने देखा है कि वो भी ऐसे लोगों के जो हम कहते हैं कि चौथा स्तंभ जो कहते हैं, उनके खिलाफ जो इस्तेमाल किए हैं, वो हम बहुत ही कंप्लीटली डिसग्रेस मानते हैं और उसकी निंदा करते हैं। लेकिन ये कोई नई बात नहीं है, क्योंकि ये जो प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने कहा था एक वक्त कि ये सब बाजारू हैं, और आज V.K. सिंह साहब उन्हें दूसरे लफ्ज़ों में कह रहे हैं। तो ये जो हम देखते हैं कि ये प्रोबेबली बीजेपी की जो है वो एक उनकी संस्कार जो हम कहेंगे वो बिल्कुल वैसे ही मानी जाएगी कि उनके जो संस्कार हम कहते हैं बीजेपी के, तो ये कोई नई बात नहीं होती है। प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी साहब बाजारू कहते हैं और V.K. सिंह साहब उन्हें कुछ और कहते हैं, जिसका मतलब दोनों एक जैसा हो जाता है।